I'm going to show you how you can speed up Melvor Idle in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is open the game and scroll down on the left sidebar until you see the mod manager. So once you're here, you need to search for the speed up mod. So if you type speed right here at the text field, you will see this one, which is speed up, and this will basically speed up the game by any amount you want. So you can set the amount to be twice as fast than normal, or however you want. This works online and offline on every platform, and you can set any custom speed you want. So you just need to subscribe by clicking this button right here. In my case, I don't really want this mod, but you can do that to advance basically much faster. Basically, it will speed up every process of the game. And then to manage the mod, you can go to the mod manager and go to my mods, and here you can enable or disable it whenever you want. And you can also go to the mod settings right here, where a window like this will appear, so you can change the amount of speed up you want, and you can disable if you want it online or offline or both, or however you want. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.